Good AM. Ayan, good AM, good PM po dyan sa Pinas. Ayan, sa Pilipinas. Pwede po ba na gumawa ng video? Ayan, o pwede ka bang gumawa ng video kung ano ang update tungkol kay GALA? Ayan, bakit malaki ang binaba? Ano kaya ang nangyayari sa mga developers? Ayan, okay pa bang mag-hold ng GALA token? Ayan, salamat at God bless po. Ingat po kayo lagi dyan sa Pinas. Ayan, ito po ay isang komento yan, ng ating ka-crypto tungkol kay GALA. At yan, ito po ang ating siyang pag-uusapan sa video na ito. Pero bago po tayo magpatuloy, ay nais ko po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. At ayan, ito po ang ating unang balita tungkol kay GALA token. Sabi po rito ay hackers spam crypto exchanges with fake GALA tokens. Yan, hindi po ito isang magandang balita. Ayan, isa po itong masamang balita kasi hackers na naman. Yan, involved na naman ang hackers dito. Yan, sabi po dito ay a recent GALA token contract address contract address upgrade opened a loophole for hackers. Ayan. Targeting crypto exchanges with old tokens. Ayan. Mukhang yung loophole po ay galing po ito sa contract address ni GALA token. Cryptocurrency exchanges are at risk of fake top-ups with old GALA tokens as the project's recent upgrade generated a new contract address for the token. Ayan, yung mga crypto exchanges po ang nasa risk or panganib. According to an ex formerly Twitter thread, si X platform po ito. Dati pong si Twitter. Yan, published by a crypto security researcher, X-Explore, there are now two tokens in circulation called GALA with the price ratio between old GALA and new GALA set at 1:12. Yan, dalawa po ang tokens ni GALA na nasa sirkulasyon. At ito po ang old GALA at saka ang new GALA. Yan, ito po yung kanilang price ratio, 1:12. Kaya yung old GALA ay ito po yung 1 at saka yung 12 na ito, yan, ay ang new GALA. Ayan, 1:12. The researcher noted hackers had already noticed this flaw and exploited it on September 6 by withdrawing all GALA from CoinHub, a Mongolian crypto exchange. As of press time, the exchange made no public statement on the matter. Ayan, meron na po silang hinak na isang crypto exchange at ito po ay ang CoinHub. Ayan, na-exploit na po nila ang na-exploit na po nila yung ito. Yan, yung loophole kay GALA noong September 6 pa nag-umpisa at na-withdraw nila lahat ng GALA tokens dito kay CoinHub. Yan, isa po itong Mongolian Crypto Exchange. Yan, sa ngayon ay hindi pa nagpapalabas ng pahayag ang Mongolian Crypto Exchange na ito. Explore said the hacker has been depositing the old GALA tokens on various crypto exchanges since July 27 to test fake top-ups. It is unclear how many other trading platforms are vulnerable to this attack. Ayan, hindi daw po malinaw kung ilang mga crypto exchange platform ang maaaring ma-hack dito. Yan, sa pamamagitan ng exploit na ito. The researcher says fake deposits have always been a very important security issue for crypto exchanges, urging platforms to check whether the address of the tokens supporting deposits needs to be updated and whether the logic of judging the asset on account of deposits is wrong. Earlier, analysts at Slow Mist also alarmed the crypto community about a known operational issue in the LDO token contract, saying the flaw has already been exploited on trading platforms without naming them. X-Explore claims the hackers who have been trying to trick exchanges with the old GALA tokens were also involved in the LDO false top-ups and the Nomad breach attack last August 2023. Yan po mga hackers. Dito naman po ay sabi rito ay GALA slides 15% following a co-founder controversy. Ayan, meron naman po itong kinalaman sa mga co-founder ng GALA. Yan, sabi rito ay, in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrencies, developments can have a profound impact on the market. GALA, the native token of GALA Games, has recently faced turbulent times due to internal disputes involving key figures within the project. GALA Games CEO Eric Schiermeier and co-founder Wright Thorston have filed lawsuits against each other, escalating tensions within the project. Ayan. Sila mismo na mga namamahala, mga CEO, at saka co-founder. Ayan, sila po mismo ang nag-aaway-away sila. Ayan, may tension na nagaganap sa loob ng GALA. Kaya, ayan. This internal strife has resulted in a 15% decline in the GALA token's price in recent days, sending shockwaves through the GALA Games community. As the drama unfolds, crypto enthusiasts and investors are turning their attention to top altcoin opportunities with a particular focus on Filecoin and Borrow.finance. Yan na nga, nagdulot daw po ng 15% na pagbagsak yung pag-aaway ng CEO at saka co-founder ng GALA. Yan, dahil dyan ay nagsisialisa na yung mga investors dito kay GALA token, naghahanap sila ng ibang mga token na malilipatan. Yan, dito naman is GALA going to zero. Yan, babagsak nga ba ang market price ni GALA token ng zero? GALA price keeps falling as new Bitcoin project raises 1 million. Ayan, sabi rito ay GALA Games price action has entered complete free fall as once shining GameFi project crumbles amid an intense legal struggle between co-founders Eric Schiermeier and Wright Thorston. Ayan, yung kanilang legal struggle. Naglalabanan sila sa kaso. This comes amid allegation of theft amounting to $130 million in GALA tokens and corporate mismanagement by Thorston, alongside his investment firm True North United Investments. It is alleged Thorston illicitly acquired approximately $130 million worth of GALA tokens tied to the GALA Games ecosystem. According to Schiermeier's suit, these tokens were initially moved to a wallet under the company's control, only to be subsequently transferred into 43 other wallets by Thorston himself. And in a dramatic turn of events last week, both co-founders have filed lawsuits against each other in a Utah district court. Thurston's counterclaim alleges Shearmayer lent GALA's funds to himself for personal use, and even purportedly created GALA-related entities in Switzerland and Dubai, positioning himself as the controlling shareholder to pursue his own business interests. Yan. Ito yung post ni Neon. Yan. Just curious. Coinbase, why did you stop supporting the Go GALA games? Yan, GALA version 2 token. I like the games in the project as a whole, but now I can't keep yan, DCAing and dollar cost averaging. Yan. Also, Go GALA games, win app that allows direct purchasing. Buying direct should be a no-brainer, hurting the US market. The impact has been substantial, with leading centralized exchange, Coinbase, delisting GALA tokens over the weekend, leaving ranks of bugholders concerned about the future of the project. Yan, kawawa po talaga si GALA tokens. Na-delist na po siya kay Coinbase. GALA price analysis. Is GALA Games going to zero amid legal drama? Ayan, babagsak nga ba ng todo si GALA? Ayan, at papunta sa zero? Yan, sabi rito ay with the project's future in doubt, GALA Games price action is in turmoil, with GALA currently trading at a market price of 0.013, yan, representing a 24-hour change of negative 4.44%. Yan. Downside movements have gripped price action in recent weeks following the sudden loss of 20 DMA support on July 24. Yan po yung chart dito. In the 49 days since losing the 20 DMA, price action has bleed out a tumultuous negative 44.9%, with the descendant moving average forming a localized ceiling of impenetrable resistance. Yan. Resultantly, GALA price is now trading below the prior all-time low at $0.015. Yan, December 29, 2022, all-time low po yan. Pinakamababang market price na inabot ni GALA. Ayan, ay naglalaro na po siya ngayon malapit dito. Ayan, trading below. Ayan, trading below po siya. This leaves no historical price levels remaining, exposing GALA to a complete free fall as price action enters downside price exploration depicted in the collapsing 200 DMA. Ayan, ibig sabihin ay pwede pang yung kalagayan ngayon, yung current market price ni GALA token ay mukhang nasa delikado ito na sitwasyon. Pwede po itong bumagsak pa ng mas mababa. Kasi wala na tayong support level dyan. Nabasag na po yung lowest price. Parang gumagawa na po siya ng lowest low na all-time na parang all-time low niya or panibagong all-time low na market price ni GALA. Looking to psychological price levels of 0.0125 and $0.01 could form potential lower support levels. The RSI is perhaps the last remaining hope for bug holders as the brimstone of lawyers and lawsuits threatens to disintegrate the once promising future of GALA. When the indicator called off to a significant bullish divergence at 21 consolidation could form here as markets awaits further updates from the unfurling legal saga. However, the MACD conflicts this silver lining, showcasing dramatic bearish divergence at negative 0.00023. Overall, GALA is in free fall. Downside action is to be expected, and with an uncertain future, bug holders will be awaiting a much needed relief rally for a quick exit. Ayan na nga, sabi dito ay pabagsak po si GALA. Ayan, at asahan po natin na babagsak pa raw ito sa mga susunod na araw. Kaya ayan nga, sabi rito ay maghanap na lamang tayo ng opportunity para makapag-exit. With price in serious free fall, upside potential is limited to yesterday's high. Yan. While to the downside, the price could tumble to a lower psychological support level. This leaves GALA games with a risk-reward ratio of 0.63, a bleak entry dominated by downside risk. Yet, while GALA bag holders despair, a smart money are already positioned for the next moonshoot with an emerging Bitcoin derivatives pre-sale poised to emerge as the biggest launch of September 2023. Ayan, yan po ang nangyayari ngayon. Nagaganap ngayon kay GALA. Yan, kay GALA tokens. Hindi po maganda yung kanyang sitwasyon sa ngayon. At ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siyang magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.